Computer keyboard 20 MCQs. Let us start. 1. What is a keyboard? A. An output device. B. An input device. C. A storage device. D. A processing device. Answer: B. An input device. 2. How many function keys are commonly found on a standard keyboard? A. 10. B. 11. C. 12. D. 14. Answer: C. 12. 3. Which key is used to delete the character to the left of the cursor? A. Delete. B. Backspace. C. Shift. D. Escape. Answer: B. Backspace. 4. Which key is used to move the cursor to the next line? A. Shift. B. Enter. C. Tab. D. Control. Answer: B. Enter. 5. Which key is used to delete the character to the right of the cursor? A. Delete. B. Backspace. C. Enter. D. Tab. Answer: A. Delete. 6. Which key is used to type capital letters? A. Control. B. Alt. C. Shift. D. Tab. Answer: C. Shift. 7. Which key is used to type continuously in uppercase letters? A. Caps lock. B. Number lock. C. Scroll lock. D. Shift. Answer: A. Caps lock. 8. Which key is used to cancel or stop an operation? A. Enter. B. Escape. C. Spacebar. D. Tab. Answer: B. Escape. 9. Which is the longest key on a standard keyboard? A. Enter. B. Shift. C. Spacebar. D. Backspace. Answer: C. Spacebar. 10. Which key is used to insert a blank space between words? A. Tab. B. Spacebar. C. Enter. D. Control. Answer: B. Spacebar. 11. What does the F1 key commonly open? A. Help. B. Save. C. Print. D. Delete. Answer: A. Help. 12. Which key is used to move the cursor to the beginning of a line? A. End. B. Home. C. Page down. D. Insert. Answer: B. Home. 13. Which key moves the cursor to the end of a line? A. Home. B. End. C. Delete. D. Escape. Answer: B. End. 14. Which key is used to move the cursor a fixed distance to the right? A. Tab. B. Shift. C. Control. D. Alt. Answer: A. Tab. 15. Which keys are used to move the cursor up, down, left, and right? A. Function keys. B. Arrow keys. C. Number keys. D. Control keys. Answer: B. Arrow keys. 16. Which key is commonly used with other keys to perform shortcuts? A. Control. B. Spacebar. C. Enter. D. Caps lock. Answer: A. Control. 17. What is the shortcut key for copying selected text? A. Control plus X. B. Control plus V. C. Control plus C. D. Control plus Z. Answer: C. Control plus C. 18. What is the shortcut key for saving a document? A. Control plus A. B. Ctrl plus S. C. Ctrl plus D. D. Ctrl plus F. Answer, B. Ctrl plus S. 19. What is the shortcut key for pasting copied text? A. Ctrl plus P. B. Ctrl plus V. C. Ctrl plus C. D. Ctrl plus S. Answer, B. Ctrl plus V. 20. What is the shortcut key for undoing the last action? A. Ctrl plus Z. B. Ctrl plus Y. C. Ctrl plus U. D. Ctrl plus X. Answer, A. Ctrl plus Z. Subscribe for upcoming MCQs videos.